Hi everyone, we're here with our PowerXL Stuffed Wafflizer. We love the Wafflizer. Ready to make some waffles? Yeah. So we open it up and we put the thick side down and we get ready to pour our batter in right to the line. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, and stop. Let's add our berries in. We're making a berry waffle today because it's somebody's favorite, right? Mm-hmm. And now let's pour another layer of batter on top. Then we close it, and we flip, and we wait. And we wait, and it's done. Mmm, golden delicious, yummy. All right, let's see if we can get this out. Pops out easily. Bring it to the plate. Oh, it's good, right? Smells delicious. How is it? Good. Good?